Guys, this is going to the breakfast. Breakfast is on sa 11th floor. We're on 7th. But we're not really sure kung makaabot kami sa breakfast o ito kami nakamatarong alawa. Subog at the body. Char lang. Okay. Morning. Hi mga ka-charlang. Charlang. Morning. Ah, smells good, the coffee. Oh my gosh. I hope we can abot the breakfast. Uy. So layo from the kitchen, I believe so. Ay, manta. Oh, this way, yeah. Sign that. Okay, so we have 4 elevators in this area. Not just this one, the other side. Nasad mga elevator. Ay, grabe. Nakan kaayo elevator. I'm so sleepy. Okay, bye.